When you prepare for GMAT, make elimination your friend. In verbal specifically, when you're looking at critical reasoning or reading comprehension, if the passages are easy, probably at 400, 500 level passages, in those cases you're getting questions right, you're able to find the reasoning behind the right answer. But as the difficulty level rises, we have seen that the accuracy drops. So accuracy drops because when you're doing it for the first time, you're not able to figure out the right reasoning behind the correct answer. And if you're not able to think the right reasoning, so we start doubting ourselves that will I be able to get that reasoning right in the exam? How can I just increase my accuracy? So we start thinking like this, and you can understand that you cannot develop your reasoning. It can improve over a period of time, but you cannot change your reasoning skills immediately. So here, because we cannot change it and we don't know how to do it, there is a sense of stagnation there. There is a self-doubt because we don't know what to do next. And most of the students who are preparing are stuck at this stage. What happens if you want to get out of this? What all you have to do is to learn to eliminate. So when you are solving the question and you can understand, okay, I'm not able to understand it properly. Maybe 30, 40, 50% I'm understanding. At this moment, what happens is we start doubting ourselves. We think, oh, I'll not be able to answer the question. So in CR, we start doubting, will I get the right answer? Or in RC, that we are reading the passage, and while reading, because you're not able to understand, you think, oh, I'll not be able to answer the question. And once you think that, you get disconnected from the passage. And even whatever you're reading, you're not even comprehending what you're reading. Because now you have completely shut down. Most of the time you have seen that your mind has stopped working. You're totally in a blank state. You're not able to think through. So one of the reasons is because you're self-doubting. So it will, it put a lot of pressure on your mind and it stops working. What all you have to do is, you have to tell yourself that I cannot find the reasoning for every answer. It is not feasible, because even in the exam, you're going to get the right new question. And when you have a new question, you cannot find, okay, I should 100% sure that this is the reasoning behind the right answer. What you can tell yourself is, okay, from my experience, if I use elimination is when you're reading the passage, and if you're not able to understand it, don't worry. Tell yourself, okay, but let me just go to the question and I'll try to use elimination. So once you get into that mindset, automatically you relaxes. So once you relax, you can actually read and understand the questions. Because if you're stressed out, you can't even understand what's written in the question and forget about the options. So once you're into that state, okay, I can use elimination. So you relax. And once you reach the question, read question properly and then look at the option. Read the option, ask what does it mean. If it's a critical reasoning question, you can ask, is it answering my question or not? If you just do this much, you read the option and you try to understand what does it mean, you will see that out of 5, you're able to understand 3 or 4. If you get your answer in those 3-4 options, well, good. But if you're reading some option and you're not able to understand what does it mean, just leave that option. Okay, don't freak out, okay, I don't understand, and don't waste time to think through. Try it. If it doesn't, you're not able to comprehend, just leave it there and move to the next options. This way you will see that you're able to eliminate the options, because it rarely happens that you don't understand any of the options. You're able to understand 3 or 4. The one that is the right answer, mostly you don't understand that. And if you just use elimination, you will see that you're able to reach the right answer. And even important than that is that you're not getting into the self-doubt. Because during the exam, if you get into self-doubt, it's going to impact your entire paper. So just one question, because you struggled with one question and that one question hampered your overall result. But if you know that, okay, I don't understand, but still I can try. If you get into that mindset, you will not get into self-doubt and there will not be any anxiety. And you'll be in a free flow state. Try this out when you're practicing or giving any mock test. See that whenever you're just getting stuck, don't doubt yourself. Don't tell yourself I'll not be able to solve this. Say, okay, let me try it. Get into that zone. Thank you.